Procrastination often stems from feeling overwhelmed by a big task. Break it down into smaller, manageable chunks that feel less intimidating. Identify the very next step and start there. Create a timeline for completion by assigning deadlines for each subtask. Use a calendar to schedule time for working on each piece. This sense of accountability will motivate you to stick to the plan. Eliminate distractions ahead of time by turning off your cell phone, closing tabs, and working in quiet spaces. Reward yourself after completing each subtask, not just the full task. Small treat like a snack reinforces progress. Focus on SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Enlist peer support by studying with friends or asking someone to check in on your progress. Making commitments to others helps follow through, leverage positive peer pressure. So, break it down, schedule it out, remove distractions, celebrate small wins, and involve others. With these actionable steps, you can definitely defeat procrastination.